I am want to children too much, too much, too much, too much. If it's problem, listen to me. If you giving 2 children only,
Okay.
1 children is going to school,
Okay.
1 children is back in the home.
Okay.
What is another 1 children is going wedding?
Okay, so we need more kids.
If his children is too much, it's nice. Another going manahida, another sit down is mati sigargaro. Another going school, another going Saudi Arabia. Another going roundabout is girlfriend. Another sit down home mati sigargaro. Okay?
Okay, perfect.
That is a best nice. Too much children is very good.
Perfect. Okay, very good.